Court calls the case, Christopher Proby.
On behalf of Ms. Cody, should be by Zoom.
There you, sir, can you state your name?
Christopher Proby.
Gunner, you should have a green sheet in this matter.
Miracles will always happen. May 7th. All right,
Yes, Your Honor.
gonna have a conversation now. I don't know. What are you talking about? What?
Do you want to approach on it or
Go.
we can talk about it? Okay. So Mr. Proby, the matter that I'm going to work with the prosecutor to see if we can make it happen. Okay.
Okay.
As far as your doctor's appointment goes.
Okay.
Thank you. Your Honor. My
May
apologies.
7th,
Sorry.
26, 9 a.m. or if your invite indicates bond continued. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Court calls case. People.
Ashley Feltus for the people.
Ready, Judge. Torshell Feaster, Assistant Public Defender, on behalf of Mr. Ransom, who is approaching. Please state your name for the record, sir.
Lawrence Ransom.
Thank you, Judge. You should have a green sheet also in this file. We are requesting an adjournment to see about getting Mr. Ransom into Wayne County Sobriety Court, and he does have a bond request.
That may take a minute, but we'll just do it this way. May 7th,
Thank you, Judge.
2026, 9 a.m. and is the bond.
I could make the request now or could do it on May 7th. He has a family vacation he'd like to go on if the court would allow. It's May 18th to 26th to Atlanta, Georgia.
Why is everybody going to Atlanta?
It's a cheap direct flight.
Wow. Bet you know that. I just. It's going to be an objection from the people.
As long as he continues testing with his testing device, I think he should be on a Silver Lake or a Scram. As long as that continues, I don't have a problem with it.
He's currently on a scram. He'll keep that if that allows him to do it. But
So if you guys can prepare an order,
thank you, Judge.
in order to get it to the court. Yeah. Okay, fine. We'll continue.
Thank you, Judge. Yep.
Court calls case People versus Shay Rogers.
Brian Boy on behalf of Mr. Rogers. State your name for the record, Shay.
Shay David Rogers. Thank you.
Your Honor, we're asking this matter be set for a preliminary examination. I believe all discovery to be complete.
People other witnesses available the 28th.
Yes, Your Honor.
Preliminary examination, April 28th, 2026, 9 a.m. for myself.
Your Honor, if this case was charged originally as a part of the first degree, there is a possibility after the completion of the proofs that this count of unarmed robbery could be added. As place that on the record.
All right.
Thank you, Judge.
For Your Honor, right?
Yes. Court calls the case of the People versus Maypendo Rodriguez. I ran out of.
I'm sure.
I didn't know what to do with some of the letters. I just gave up.
I'm sure that's it. Torshell Feaster, Assistant Public Defender, on behalf of my client. Please state your name for the record.
Mapendo Taisir.
Say that again?
Mapendo Taisir.
Yeah, okay. All right.
Thank you very much, Judge. We are looking to confirm what my client's prior record is, if he has one at all. And I believe Ms. Feltus is going to look into it for us. We can have a brief adjournment. We'll get this matter resolved.
April 30th, 2026, 9 a.m.
Thank you, Judge.
Bond continued.
April 30th. Call me. We'll get everything set up. All right? So.
Oh, somebody's in trouble. Why are you, is that why you're here? Okay, my message got through. All right. That's the important thing. Court does call the case People versus Reginald Simpson, no relation.
Assistant Public Defender Chelsea Virgils with and on behalf of Reginald Simpson. Just can state your name.
Reginald Simpson.
Thank you.
And I have a green sheet we're asking to adjourn for a plea discussion and additional discovery.
Probable cause conference will be adjourned May 7th. 2026, 9 a.m.
Thank you, Your Honor.
So,
All right,
court does call the case People versus Tara Sims.
else for the people.
Assistant Clerk Defender Don B. Lee on behalf of Ms. Sims. Ms. Sims, can you tell the court your name, please?
Sarah Sims.
All right, I have before me that she's going to plead to the charge of use of a controlled substance, namely cocaine, plead guilty to that charge. That's a 1-year offense and added count 2. Upon her successful plea to that, count 1 would be dismissed.
Correct.
Let's have her sworn.
Right hand. Do you solemnly swear to affirm the testimony about to give will be the truth, whole truth, and help you God?
Yes.
State your name, please.
Sarah Sims.
Ma'am, it is this court's understanding you're going to plead guilty to the charge of use of cocaine. That is a misdemeanor punishable by up to 1 year duration, a $1,000 fine plus court costs. Do you understand that? Yes? All right. You understand also, ma'am, that while I'm taking your plea, I would not be your sentencing judge, and you would be sentenced before Judge Barr in the 14A2 district court.
Yes.
Still wish to plead guilty?
Yes.
And to that charge, how do you plead? And you understand that by pleading guilty, you'll not have a trial of any kind. You signed an advice of rights form, is that correct? Any question regarding those rights?
Sir.
Please look at paragraph 5. You'll see a copy on the podium. Those are your rights which are part of a trial. You understand by pleading guilty, you'll be giving up those rights as well as all the rights on that form. You understand you're giving up your right to appeal of right. Are you on probation or parole?
Yes.
You are? You're on probation?
Yes. But this charge won't
Were you on probation at the time of this offense? All right. Has anybody promised you anything other than what's been stated here today to get you to plead?
No, sir.
Anybody threaten you or coerce you?
No.
Doing this voluntarily and of your own free will?
Yes.
And because you believe you are indeed guilty of this offense? Okay. April 27, 2025, at the location of Penn Park in the city of Ypsilanti, Washtenaw County, state of Michigan. Did you have cocaine in your possession?
I did.
Had you used it? Did you know what you were using was cocaine?
Yes.
And I would have to advise you that upon acceptance of your plea between that time and time of your sentencing, if you commit misconduct as defined by the Michigan court rules, first of all, you would not be entitled to withdraw your plea, would not be bound by any sentence evaluation or recommendation. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
All right, counsel, are you aware of any other promises, threats, or other inducements which have led to this plea?
No, Your Honor.
And have I complied with the court rule?
Likewise, Your Honor.
Court will accept the defendant's plea of guilty. Count 1 is dismissed. Pre-sentence investigation report is ordered at 14A2 probation. Sentencing in this matter
April 29th at 10 a.m.
will be April 29th, 2026, 10 a.m. before Judge Barr.
Thank you.
Bond continued. Thank you. Court calls case of the people versus Tabria Story.
People.
Michael Gaddy, Assistant Public Defender on behalf of the story here.
Publishers.
She is approaching.
Hello, what's your name?
Shabrian.
Story.
Bristol.
Your Honor, we're asking for a brief adjournment to continue discussions in this matter.
Probable cause conference will be adjourned May 7th, 2026, 9 a.m. Bond continued.
Are you able to confirm if there is no contact order with the minor children?
With the minor children,
Yes, Your Honor.
I have Sean, or Dave James and Sean Story.
Yeah.
And I have
Shauna.
third-party contact for child raising, whatever that means.
I'm
Yes,
sorry,
Your Honor.
I didn't catch the last part, Judge.
Third-party contact for child raising.
That is what my notes from my colleague reflected in my file. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor. It just linked to a different file on base when I went to it. Your Honor, if I could just be briefly on bond, if there is the complaining witness may have an assessment at St. Joe's for a different reason. If there is, I would ask that Ms. Story be, if she wishes to, be allowed to be at that assessment, or at least present to find out the results.
I don't know that I would. That's the alleged victim.
Yes.
I don't think I'd grant that without somehow knowing that that would be the alleged victim's wishes that she be there.
Okay,
I'd have no way of knowing that.
I understand, Your Honor.
All right. Thank you.
Marcel, we'll take this one.
Yeah, that's just.
Court calls case People versus Derek Straits.
But Judge, court shall feature assistant public defender having great and shutting our soul.
Mr. Straits,
Yes, Derek Straits.
thank you.
Thank you, Judge. My colleague, Mr. Bukovich, did a great job getting a plea offer in this case. But Mr. Bukovich. He did.
Where's he?
I think he's on arraignment today, Judge.
He is?
Yes, Judge. Doing great work like always.
Wanted to do that instead of being with me?
No, he doesn't get to choose. I think he got stuck there. He would prefer to be here, Judge.
He would?
Yes, Judge.
Then why aren't you doing arraignment?
No,
No.
did a fine job getting an offer in this case, Judge, and the plea sheet has been written up. He wants me to ask for an adjournment, though. He wants me to ask Ms. Feltus for one additional thing.
Okay, I'll adjourn to April 30th,
Thank you, Judge.
2026, 9 a.m. And so you're not going to ask her that now?
No, Judge.
Good.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah.
I will bug her later.
All right.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, sir. Court calls the case of the People versus Gerald. Who's that?
Yes, sir.
Derek Straits.
Okay, so it's Gerald Straits.
How are you?
I'm doing okay.
Been a while.
Yes, sir. How are you doing?
Oh, we're hanging in there.
Okay.
Alexander, on behalf of the people, Your Honor.
Assistant Public Defender Don Leo on behalf of Mr. Straits. Mr. Straits, if you could tell the judge your name.
Gerald Straits.
Hey,
Not
John.
related to the last guy that was on there either. I don't know where he got. It's fine.
You're looking for an adjournment,
Yes, Your Honor, we're still discussing potential resolutions.
May 7th, 2026, 9 a.m. Or as your invite indicates, bond will continue.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a good
Thanks, Your Honor. Good to see you again.
Good seeing you. Court does call the case People versus Raymond Strausser.
Ashley Feltus for the people.
Stephanie Cannon, on behalf of Mr. Strauss, who is appearing from the VA hospital. That's what you're looking at, Mr. Allen. Mr. Strausser, can you hear us?
Yes, I can. Can you hear me?
Yeah, you need to turn the camera so it faces you.
Oh, I'm sorry. I thought I just did.
Watching a procedure and I don't need to.
Yes, you got.
All right.
I'm fine.
This. No, that didn't do it.
Your Honor, are they helping you, Mr. Strausser?
He's
Brian.
just-
I'm not very
This
good at this. I'm sorry.
yeah, I can tell. All right, hold on. That's
Oh, there we
okay. All right, there he is. Okay.
Your Honor, we are requesting an adjournment of this matter. My client was recently accepted into the Veterans Court. He's actually gone to 2 sessions already. So I'm hoping the next time you see us, it will be for a plea.
Okay, so he's in the 15th Veterans?
Yes, that is correct.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay. May 7th.
Thank you so much, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. All right, take care, Mr. Strausser.
All right. You also, sir.
Court calls the case, People versus Kevin Taylor.
Feltus for the people.
Brian Bowling on behalf of Mr. Taylor.
Hang on. Yeah.
That's insane.
Oh, sorry.
Just state your name, please.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Kevin Christopher Taylor.
Thank you.
Your Honor, we're asking this matter be set for an examination. I believe all discovery to be complete, yes.
Did you say this?
Yes, I believe it to be complete.
All right. People have their witnesses available the 28th.
Rock.
Preliminary examination will be set April 28th, 2026, 9 a.m. That's before Judge Barr. Bond continued. Thank you.
Thank you.
Court calls the case, People versus Vic.
Feltus for the people.
Ready, Judge, or ready-ish, Judge. Floor show feature assistant public defender on behalf of, but not with Mr. Bruce Vick. Your Honor, we have called him. Looked outside in the hallway, looked in the courtroom. He does not appear to be anywhere, not be here, Judge. I will, for the record, request an adjournment, but have no clue where Mr.
Bench warrant will issue for defendant's failure to appear. Bond will be set in the amount of $10,000
Thank you, Judge.
as surety. Warrant will issue immediately. Court calls case People versus Sarah Ward.
Mike Getty, Assistant Public Defender on behalf of Ms. Ward, Your Honor. Approaching.
Your name?
Sarah Ward. Your Honor,
Investigate adjournment.
yes, Your Honor, the people have made an offer that I believe they will keep open. We're going to review some video on this.
Looking at the video. All right. Adjourn the matter to May 7th, 2026, 9 a.m. Found continued.
Listen.
Thank you. Court calls case People versus Tracy Welsh.
Ashley Phelps for the people.